Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from UNice, y'all. Everything about her will be in my description box below. I actually reviewed 2 UNice wigs, so if you want to check out the other review, you are more than welcome to. I will link that in the description box as well, and I will also link it in the video. As y'all can see, she is a right side part unit. So if you are a right part girly, keep watching. If you are a left part girly, be open to this. I am going to add some water. I'm going to add some foamy mousse as well. She was such an easy install. Obviously with the customization, she took little to no time. I don't know, y'all, she was definitely given the 1B version of the Beyonce wig. That's what this wig is giving. So baby, if you are going on vacation, if you are thinking about dipping your head in some water, baby, you can do that in her, okay? She is a glueless unit. Like I said, the specific details will be in my description box below about her. So right now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses in the number 12. Like I said, she is a beginner friendly unit. I love that you are able to wear her glueless. This wig is the perfect protective style unit. And this is her dry. This was definitely such a cute unit. It was something new, something fun. So I was like, why not? Overall, how I'm feeling about this unit, I do love this style. I love the cut. I love the curls. Even though it being on the right side would have really grinded my gears, I'm glad it came out cute. But if she was on the left side, baby, she would have definitely got more points. She did shed while I was actually defining the curls, but she didn't shed a lot and she didn't tangle. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel, and like always, thank y'all so much for coming back, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.